Hello, I didn't see you there. I'm Kayla with Tree Folks, and I'm out here flagging property so we can plant some trees. Our Travis County Floodplain Reforestation program is designed to help mitigate flooding, capture carbon, and create wildlife habitat. And we do this by coming out here and flagging properties so that we can come back and plant seedlings, which will grow over the next 25 years and create a new forest and capture carbon credits. Let's go! So the reason we plant in overgrown areas like this instead of something that's mowed flat or barren dirt is because this vegetation will help shade the little baby trees and prevent water from evaporating so quickly. And also, while it is true that the vegetation does absorb water when it rains, when it's metabolizing, part of the byproduct is water, which it releases back into the soil. And so it actually really helps the sensitive little trees to be surrounded by other vegetation. Another benefit of not mowing is trees like this will just naturally pop up on their own and start reforesting the land. But what we do is we come in and help diversify so that you have more than just one type of tree, and also speed up the reforestation process. And so this area here, with all this vegetation to shelter the trees, is really great. But you can see over there, there's just bare dirt, and we wouldn't want to plant there because in the summer especially, the sun is just going to bake this soil and dry out the trees. They don't stand a very good chance of making it there. With private landowners as well as the City of Austin and Travis County, and in order to qualify, the land needs to be within the 100-year floodplain and not already forested. We receive applications in spring and begin doing consultations, and then by the time winter arrives, we're ready to start planting. And this is the ideal time to plant anyway because the little trees are dormant. And so it's less traumatic transferring them into the ground, and they also have time to get established before the blazing Texas summer hits.
So you're on action. Kayla's tree hugging.
Wait, did you say you're recording?
Yeah. Getting all of it.
Should I just go?
Yeah. Or wait, no, I'll cut and we'll do.